Hey guys, so today we'll be making bourbon pops. I personally love bourbon biscuits and cake pops, so I thought why not combining them, yeah? So firstly, let's separate the biscuit and the cream. Then we will have to crush the biscuits into fine powder. We are going to turn this powder into cake pops, so we need it to be even finer and even smoother. And for that reason, we're going to add it into the mixie jar so that it becomes even finer. And when it's done, we just pour it into a bowl. We're going to turn this powder into a very soft dough, so we're going to start by adding a teaspoon of milk and then go on until it's a very smooth dough. And now we'll have to start mixing. I prefer mixing it with my hand as it comes out much smoother, and we can eventually start adding more milk to the dough. Now we roll it out and make small balls. Well, the biscuit part is done, so we move on to the cream part. We make the cream into a soft dough, very soft. We add some milk to it and make it even smoother. Let's mix it properly until it's a soft dough. The cream part is done too. We move on to the biscuit part again. We take the balls and press them into a flat shape. And now we add some cream just in the middle and roll it into a bowl. After all of them are done, let's place it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes so it hardens. We take it out and add some toothpicks. And we're done. Enjoy!